Hey loves, this is Natural and More. Today I'll be doing a product review on a couple of products that I use on a daily basis. The first product that I wanted to bring to your attention was the Curls line that you can get at Target. It's the passion fruit paste, and it's not thick or anything like that. It's kind of like a gel, but it doesn't leave the residue of flakes, or it doesn't harden your hair, so you can use it every day and it's fine. I really love that product. It smells amazing. It's about $7.99 at Target. Um, I love it. It's all I use for my edges. If you have unruly edges, um, that will tame them. And also this Shea Moisture line. Um, they have the hairline, and also they have lotion, soap, scrubs, I think. But this lotion, the hibiscus and coconut, I love it. Smells good, and it's actually really moisturizing. So I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a more moisturizing lotion that smells amazing. This is your product. Um, in the Shea Moisture line, also they have the black soap. I had initially gone to Whole Foods because I heard that they had black soap, and I just thought that they would because they have every other soap, but they didn't have it. So I knew that I had seen black soap in the Shea Moisture line, so I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna try it out. So I ended up trying it out, and I heard that black soap could be very drying, but honestly, this brand is not drying at all. So if you like black soap but you feel like you have to use it every other day, I would definitely recommend the Shea Moisture line black soap because you can use that every day. But I just wanted to, let you guys know about those products. So I'm about to go to sleep now because I have to work in the AM. So I hope you guys had a fabulous 4th of July weekend with family and friends. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.